Yo, good morning guys. It's a cold temperature today. Yeah, it's really cool. Feels like not summer. Also, it's a little clear today. You can see there's no so much smoke. Yesterday was really smoky because of the bushfire. Now it's good. Also, last night there was a rain. Yeah, really good. It feels good. I can hear the rain from my bedroom. It was already around 1 o'clock when I was sleeping, and I heard the rain. It was really good. I hope those rain stop all the bushfires. I hope to have more rain to stop the drought happening here in Australia these days. Yo, good morning guys. Actually, good afternoon. It's already 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1:40. I want to go out, but I'm lazy. I was thinking of it's hot outside and hot. I don't like. I'm cooking the rice. I want to try this one. This is going to be expired on February 11, 2020, or maybe November 4, 20. No, I don't know. Yeah, here. Very much April 11 or November 4 is the expiration. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with that corn. I'm going to cook this one. And because this is the kind of weather we have today here, less people this time. There is now a little bit of a sprinkler of water. Yeah, it's not too much. I think it is already raining on that side. I can see that. There we go. It is raining now. Amazing. We are actually here because we are going to buy a rice. I don't have any more rice at home. We're going to take one of this shampoo. Yeah, this is $6.40. There is one $12. Regular price is 16, and it's 620 ml. But I think this one is okay. This is just 120. We are also going to try this one. This is Thai green curry. There is a discounted rice, just $10. 5 kilo of jasmine rice. Yeah, this is the one. Regular price is $20. I'm going to take it. It is raining now, and you know, this one is not working anymore. I tried to press several times, but it's not working. I decided not to touch the bike because for sure it's going to alarm and will, attract the attention of the people. And I don't want that to happen. That is why I went back inside and I bought a battery. Yeah, this battery of the alarm. This is $5.50, and I'm going to attach it to this. Okay, so finally fix it. I'm just not sure if it is going to work. Yeah, we will try if it's working now. Oh, it's not working yet. Oh, it means it is broken now. Now I don't know what to do. I think it's not working anymore. Yeah, the alarm is not working anymore. Maybe there is a problem with the battery of the alarm, or maybe it's already broken. That's the two possibility. We are going now. It is raining still. Yo, good morning guys. It is now, 10 o'clock. I'm busy, very busy, mate. The chefs, they are inviting me to go swimming, to play in the beach, but I refuse because I am busy these days. Yeah, really busy this day. I'm working on my computer, doing some, future plans, preparation for the future, something like that. And even blog, I can't edit. I don't edit some videos these days because, yeah, busy. Anyway, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but that one, this, yeah, from the prior. I was in the prior yesterday and I'm cooking fish, I'm cooking chips, I'm frying arancini, and the oil is coming into this. I didn't notice this yesterday. I just realized this morning. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. I have some food here, but I don't know if maybe they are expired already, like this one. This is tuna, but I was looking for the expiration date, but I don't really know which one. I'm not sure. Yeah, just egg is okay. Yeah, we're just going to grocery to buy yeah, something to eat for the days. Yeah, the place is still busy these days. Still a lot of cars like that. When the classes starts, for sure, less people here again. And this is how it is here today. There are people swimming, kids and adults together, sunbathing. Nice. It is now 3:44. We're going to take a chance. What's this? A new boat, Calypso. Maybe repair something. Yeah. We're just going to the restaurant there. Maybe they are still open. Yeah, the restaurant is actually closed. We are going now to the grocery. Okay, we end up here. We're going to eat first before going to the grocery. Yeah, and I'm having this. There is hair, my hair. There are fish and chips. Oh, fish and chips. There's fried rice, spring roll, and yo, good afternoon guys. Good morning guys. It's still 11 o'clock. We're going to work now. Yeah, that is how dry it is here in Australia these days. Yeah, that's maybe the reason of the bush fire. If you are smoking and you just drop the cigarette butt in there, dangerous. Yeah, this is how it is today. You can see the water is very calm, peaceful, not really windy. It's really good. Yeah, we're going to work now. And if you notice in my previous videos, all this field, they are all green like a carabao grass, but these days it's like that, all dry. Would feel tomorrow. Yo, good morning guys. We are going to work now. As you can see, these trees, it's growing again, going back to normal as it is before. If you remember last time, they cut these trees, yeah, and now it's good again. Keeps on growing. They maybe cut that tree to give view, for that house. I don't know. There was a rain last night, but on the time that I was going home, coming from work, it was good. And then when I was about to sleep, it was raining. Yeah, you notice that in here,